everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Friendly. In today's class we will do question number 10 of exercise 1.2 of first chapter Knowing Our Numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us read the question. Medicine is packed in boxes. Medicines are packed in boxes. Each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. Each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. Means the weight of 1 kg box of medicine is 4 kg and 500 gram. See, kg and gram are the units to measure weight of any object. Okay, now how many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? How many such boxes can be loaded? Means we have to make so many boxes of 4 kg 500 gram. Each box of medicine will weigh how much? 4 kg 500 gram. This box also will weigh 4 kg 500 gram. 4 kg 500 gram box. 4 kg 500 gram box. So many boxes we have to make. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Those boxes of medicine have to be loaded in a van, and that van cannot carry more than 800 kg. That van cannot carry more than 800 kg. Okay, and the weight of each box of medicine will be 4 kg 500 gram. So how many such boxes can be loaded when the van cannot carry more than 800 kg? Suppose I will give you one small number so that you can understand it more better. Okay, suppose the box of 1 kg, one box of medicine weighs 2 kg. Okay, suppose that the box of one box of medicine is 2 kg weight. Okay, and that van can carry only up to 10 kg. Then how many such boxes of medicine can be carried in that van? See, the one box of medicine is 2 kg and that van can carry only 10 kgs. So obviously 5 boxes can be carried in that van because that van can only carry up to 10 kg, not more than that. So how we found that? By dividing 10 by 2. We found that it is 5. It means 5 boxes of medicine can be loaded in that van. So in this question also, what we will do? We will divide this 800 kg by, it will be divided by 4 kg and 500 gram. Okay, what is kg and gram? Kg and gram are the units to measure weight of any object. Kg is the large unit to measure weight and gram is a small unit to measure weight. When we have to weigh small objects, we use gram as the unit. When we have to measure heavy weights, then we use kg. If we take 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, like that, if we take 1000 grams, grams, then that 1000 gram will be equal to how much? 1 kg. It means what? Kg is a bigger unit to measure weight and gram is the smaller units, because small 1 gram will make 1 kg weight only. So 1000 grams means 1000 means more grams weight will make only 1 kg weight. So kg is the larger unit to measure weight and gram is the smaller units. So when we combine 1000 units, we get 1 kg weight. Okay, so 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So here in this question, to find the number of boxes, we have to divide 800 kg by 4 kg 500 gram. But we cannot divide it. We have to convert this kg into gram, because this should not be kg and gram together should not come. We cannot divide like that. This is not the rule. We have to convert this kg into gram. So how we will convert? I will show you. then only we can divide that 800 kg by 4 kg 500 gram, and we can find that how many boxes can be made. Like we found here that the boxes, one box of medicine is 2 kg and the van can only load up to 10 kg. Then how many boxes can be loaded? Only 5. So how we found? By dividing 10 by 2. So we got 5. It means 5 boxes can be loaded. But here the weight is in kg and here also the weight is in kg. So we easily divided and we found that 5 boxes can be made of medicines. But here we have to convert that kg into gram, and then we will get that how many boxes of medicine can be made. So let us see how to convert, and we will do the solution now. See, I showed you that how 1000 grams equals to 1 kg. I told you already, right? So now we will do the conversion of that kg into gram and we will do the solution. See, 1 kg equal to how much? 1 kg is 1000 grams. Okay, 1 kg means 1 kilogram. See, kg means what? Kg is kilogram and gram is this gram. This is gram. Okay. So in short we write kg and g for kilogram and gram. So what will be 4 kg? See, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 4 kg will be 4 into 1000 gram. We have to convert this kg also into gram. So 800 kg is how much? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 800 kg will be 800 into 1000 gram. Okay. Or we can write g in place of this. No need to write full. We can write g. Gram. It means gram. Okay. So, medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. So, weight of 1 kg, weight of 1 box of medicine is how much? Is equal to 4 kg and 500 gram. So, 4 kg means, it means 4 kg plus 500 gram. 4 kg means, see, 4 kg means this is 4 into 1000 gram, that is 4000 gram. Okay, and this one is, so this is 4 kg means 4000 gram plus 500, this is 500 grams. So 4000 gram plus 500 gram will be 4500 gram. So the weight of one box of medicine is how much? It is 4 kg 500 gram, which equals to 4500 gram. We converted this kg and kg into gram. So now it is in the form of gram. Okay. Now, so what example I gave you, that suppose one box is made up of 2 kg. So if the van can load only 10 kg of weight, then how much boxes can be made? 5 boxes, because one box is 2 kg and the van can load only 10 kg up to. So 5 boxes can be loaded. We did that by dividing 10 by 2, means the total weight that can be carried by the van divided by the weight of one box. Here also we will do the same thing and we will find that how many boxes can be made. So this 4500 gram of medicine makes one box, right? So total weight, how much it can carry? It can carry 800 kg. 800 kg is how many grams? 800 into 1000, that will give 8 lakh grams. Okay, so 800 kg is equal to 8 lakh gram. Now for this much 4500 gram of medicine makes one box. So 8 lakh gram will make how many boxes? Total weight divided by the weight of one box of medicine. Total weight that can be carried divided by the weight of one box of medicine. These many boxes can be carried. Now we will do the division. See, 4500 divided by 8. These many zeros. So one time it will go, because if we do 2 times it will be, see, 4500. 2 times means 5 to the 10, 9. It will be 9000, which is more than 8000. So we will take one time. It will give 4500 ones are same. Now we will do the subtraction. Now this 0 will come down. Okay, so it is this now. Now we will check 4, 5, 7. 7 times if we check, 7 zeros are 0. 35, 3 carry. So 7 times it will go. See, this is 31,500, this is 35,000. So 7 times. 31500. Now we will do subtraction. 5. Yes. Now again this is 3500 and this is 4500. So we will take, this is smaller, so we will take this 0 also down. This 0 also will be taken down, and now again it is 35,000. So we will do with 7. 35, 45, this 7 by 7 will do. So it will be 31500. Now again subtraction. So this will give 177 boxes. So this gives 177 boxes, means 177 boxes can be loaded. Okay, like in our example we divided 2 by 10, because 2 kg was the weight of one box and total 10 kgs can be loaded. So we divided this and we got this. So this is the remainder is 0. So 5 boxes can be loaded in our example. So like that, here it is 177, means 177 boxes can be loaded in the van. So we got our answer that how many boxes can be loaded. Therefore number of boxes, it is how much? We got 177 boxes. Okay, so therefore number of boxes that can be loaded is equal to 177 or 177 boxes we can write. So this is the answer. Understood? If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. So meet you in the next video. In the next class, we will do question number 11 of this exercise 1.2. Till then, take care. Bye.